In 2024, a lot of music production is actually happening in a space like this, a home music studio. When we think of a music studio, we usually expect a lot of expensive and sophisticated gear. But with current technology, even professionals are making great music at home. I've toured some great looking home music studios with varying levels of equipment. Honestly, all you need is a few basic gear to start making good music. And today, I'm here to show you all you need to start. Before we get into the setup, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It helps the channel to reach and help more people. Now, let's break it down. You will need some kind of computer to start your home studio. This will be the core of your home studio. So if you have an iPad, a tablet, phone, anything that has processing power can work. I remember way back in 2007, my first computer for music production was some kind of Dell laptop. And I remember they used to be so big back then. That's all I had back in university. And my friends and I produced quite a number of songs on it. In fact, we actually produced a song for the university. If you're just starting out, just use what you have. You can always upgrade when you need more power. Next, you're going to need a music production software, also known as a DAW. Now, DAW stands for a digital audio workstation. This is where you're going to produce your music on the computer or whatever device you have. There's a wide range of DAWs, and you are most likely to stick to the first one you learn. So try out a couple of them, get used to their workflow and all that, and make the right choice. If you're a total beginner, I would suggest trying out GarageBand if you're on Mac and Cubase if you're on Windows. Later on, you can try various DAWs because most of them offer free trials, and then you can make your choice from there. I have learned a couple of DAWs over the years, and I'm efficient in at least 7 of the most popular ones. If you're not a total beginner and you're on a Mac, I would suggest trying out Logic Pro. If you're on Windows, I would still suggest Cubase or try any other DAWs that you may like. Now that you have your computer and your software of choice, you are almost ready to make music now. Another important piece of gear you would need is an audio interface. This device is going to help you to connect instruments and other accessories to your computer or your DAW to make music. Your audio interface is very vital to your studio, so I would suggest spending more if you can to get the right one. If you're on a budget, I would suggest the Focusrite Scarlett Solo or the PreSonus Audio Box Go. If you want to spend a little more, I would recommend the UAD Apollo Twin or the Audient ID4. And these are excellent and can do an equally great job. If this is all you can afford for now, you're still ready to make good music now. Your computer most likely has inbuilt speakers to help you hear the music you are producing. However, I would recommend that you get a good pair of headphones. Now, these will help you to hear more clearly the kind of music you are producing. It will also help you to create music in a discreet environment where you need some privacy. I'll put some links in the description down below. You don't need expensive headphones to start out. Now, headphones are quite subjective depending on how you like to hear things. So I would recommend going to your nearest music store and try out a couple of headphones. I have used a wide variety of headphones and I keep changing them from time to time. I've even made music on my old trusty AirPods. Yes, AirPods, those tiny AirPods. So you have no excuse. If you intend to add vocals to your music production, then you would need a microphone. There are many types of microphones ranging from dynamic, condenser, ribbon mics, and a whole lot. If you are just a beginner starting out, I'll recommend a dynamic mic because they are less sensitive to noise. An example of a dynamic mic is what I'm using. The most popular dynamic microphone I know is the Shure SM58, which is budget friendly and well capable to do the job. Now, if you can, I would recommend having a condenser microphone because they are more sensitive. Due to their sensitivity though, you would need to have some kind of acoustic treatment in your room. A typical example of a condenser microphone is the Rode NT1A. If you're a pianist, you would need a keyboard that supports MIDI or USB. This will allow you to capture your performance into the music production software. I would not yet recommend this accessory I'm about to mention because you may not need it immediately if you're just starting out. Now, these are what we call studio monitors. A studio monitor is just a speaker that has been calibrated for use in a studio. They have been tuned to sound a little different from the speakers you are used to. They are quite pricey. The cheapest one is still quite an investment. So if you're not ready, I would suggest you wait it out and just use your headphones. Finally, you will need some cables and some stands and accessories to connect all these devices together. I'll leave some links in the description. Now that you have all you need, you're ready to make some good music. Let the creativity begin. If this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next video.